How to disconnect Headball 2 with Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to stop your Headball 2 account from being linked with Facebook, then first of all launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap the drop down at the top right corner in green in order to bring up this expanded menu. Now click on the gear button from the menu and then click on My Account under Settings. You'll see the Facebook disconnect button at the bottom. Tap on it and click on Yes to confirm. Soon after you select Yes, you'll be able to disconnect Headball 2 from Facebook. You can continue playing as a guest or connect another account if needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.